I'm Meenakshi Bedi, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you Review Worksheet 3. In this worksheet, we will discuss different questions from the previous exercise. Question number 1. How to solve 1 by 2 of 36? How to solve 1 by 2 of 36? Children, do you know the meaning of "of" in BODMAS rule? Yes, "of" means multiplication. "Of" means multiplication. In 1 by 2, 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Okay? 1 multiplied by 36 and divided by 2. When we will multiply 1 with 36, 36 ones are 36 divided by 2. Now you divide 36 with 2 and you will get the answer 18. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Now let us see one more example. How to solve 2 by 3 of 18. In 2 by 3, 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Of means multiplication, right? Now 2 by 3 multiplied by 18. 18 is also numerator. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator. 2 multiplied by 18 divided by 3. 18 twos are 36. 36 divided by 3. Answer is 12. Answer is 12. Now see question number 3. 5 by 13 of 39. 5 is numerator and 13 is denominator. Of means multiplication. 39. 5 by 13 multiplied by 39. 5 multiplied by 39 divided by 13. Now multiply 5 with 39. Answer is 195 and divided by 13. Answer is 13 ones are 13. 6 is remainder 65. 13 fives are 65. Answer is 15. Answer is 15. Let us see next example. Now we will discuss proper, improper and mixed fraction. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. If numerator is smaller than denominator, fraction is called proper fraction. Okay? Fraction is called proper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, such type of fractions are called improper fraction. If a fraction is having three numbers, 6, 2 by 3, such type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 1 by 6, 2 by 7. Such type of fractions are called proper fractions. 12 by 5, 5 by 4, 9 by 7 are improper fractions. 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 4, 7 3 by 8. Such type of fractions are called mixed fractions. In 7 1 by 2, the integral part is 7 and the fractional part is 1 by 2. In 7 1 by 2, the integral part is 7 and the fractional part is 1 by 2. In 7 1 by 2, the integral part is 7 and the fractional part is 1 by 2. Now, what are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. Okay, in 1 by 3, 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Now, among 1 by 3, 2 by 13, 13 upon 23, 13 upon 3, 13 upon 93, 13 upon 33, the like fractions are 1 by 3 and 13 by 3 because only two fractions having same denominator. Only two fractions are having same denominator, that is 3. That is 3. Now students, we will learn how to find out the missing numbers. How to find out the missing numbers. First one, 2 by 5 is equal to dash upon 10. Right? You have to find out the answer of the missing number. Right? Then you have to multiply, count the table of 5 and multiply it with 2. 5 2s are 10. You will get the answer 10. If you will multiply 5 with 2, you will get the answer 10. Same number we have to multiply with the numerator also. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 5 by 9 is equal to dash upon 36. Now multiply 9 with 4, you will get the answer 36. Now 5 you have to multiply with the same number. 5 4s are 20. 20 is the answer. In fractions, if you want to find out the equivalent fractions, always you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Numerator and denominator with the same number. Now see one more example. 6 by 11 is equal to 30 upon dash. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. That's why 11 is also multiplied by 5. Answer is 55. Next example. 7 by 12 is equal to 49 upon dash. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84. Is equal to 84. Now children, we will learn how to find out the equivalent fractions. First of all, you write down the fractions 30 upon 24 and 10 upon 8 and do the cross multiplication. 30 multiplied by 8 and 24 multiplied by 10. 30 multiplied by 8 is equal to 240 and 24 multiplied by 10 is equal to 240. Both the sides will get the same answer. That's why fractions are equivalent. Fractions are equivalent. Fractions are equivalent. Fractions are equivalent. See one more example. 3 by 4 is equal to 75 upon 100. This statement is true or false? 3 multiplied by 100 and 4 multiplied by 75. Both the side will get the answer 300. That's why it's true. It's true. Now, how to change the fraction in the lowest term? How to change the fraction in the lowest term? If you want to change any fraction in the lowest term, always you have to divide numerator and denominator with the same number. First of all, write down the fraction 36 upon 60. Put the division sign, divided by 2. Okay, answer is 18 upon 30. Again 18 upon 30, both are divisible by 2. Answer will come 9 upon 15. 9 and 15 both are divisible by 3. Okay, answer will come 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3 and 5 both are in the lowest term. You are not able to divide 3 and 5 with the same number. Let us see one more example. 25 upon 100 you have to change in the lowest term. You have to divide numerator and denominator with 5. Answer will come 5 upon 20. Again divide it with 5. You will get 1 by 4. Next, in 28.731, the place value of 2 is 20. 1 is 1 upon 1000. 7 is 7 by 10. 3 is 3 by 100. It is ones, tens, ones, tens and hundreds. How to write a decimal number in expanded form? How to write decimal number in expanded form? 2 plus 0 by 10, 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. How to write 650 rupees 25 paisa in short form? That means you have to write down the in decimal form. Rupees 650.25. Rupees 650.2. Now we will learn how to change into mixed fraction. How to change into mixed fraction. First of all, write 12 upon 5. Divide 12 with 5. We'll get the answer 2 by 5. 48 divided by 7. Answer is 6. 6 by 7. Answer is 6. 6 by 7. Change into improper fraction. Okay. How can you change into improper fraction? If mixed fraction is given, multiply 15 fours are 60 plus 2. 62 upon 15. Okay. Next is 7 3 by 10. 7 multiplied by 10 plus 3 upon 10. 70 plus 3 upon 10 is equal to 73 upon 10. Children, now do practice and try to solve more questions based on review worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.